This ultrasonic cleaner, it was quite cheap. I think it got £39 on Amazon. It has the tray, here it is here, and it has a little mesh container to put very small items in. It has the tray, and it has this here, so when vibrating it doesn't vibrate so much, and obviously hopefully be able to clean the stuff that you're putting in there. If we turn it on its side, we can see, let's just adjust the picture. Right, we can see all the controls here. Let me plug it into mains. Let me plug it in. There it is. Alright. Quite tricky this is. Alright, okay. So we plugged it in. There's a on off button. It makes a bleep noise. Here we have, so on this side here we have the temperature. You can go down, right down, side off or on. So this is the, as I've just demonstrated, that's temperature. Turn it off, and here is the timer that it's going to run for. So you can press that, and then you'll see it working there. I won't run it for too long, only for a few seconds, because there isn't any solution in there. What I would normally use is, let me find out where it is. This is quite cheap to buy, this here, and it cleans reasonably well with this unit. I'll show you the back of it so you know what model it is. Let me go a bit closer. That's right, right way around. It's a 2 litre capacity. That's it there. You've got this kettle connection. You've got the on off button there. Let's put these back in. That sits in there. You obviously put the solution in. Put this in if you need that in there. And when you're storing it away, obviously empty out the solution. Put the top on, and I put it back into its original box. But obviously you can do what you like. Anyway, thanks so much. Please like and subscribe.